In today's video, I'm going to show you ShaperLuv honest review. Is ShaperLuv.com legit or scam shop? ShaperLuv's online reviews are mixed, leaning more positive than negative. As you can see here on Trustpilot, the shop has over 1,000 reviews with an average score of about 4.3, 4.5 out of 5, with many customers saying they're pleased with product quality, the shaping effect of the compression apparel, and the confidence boost the garments provide. Several reviewers say sizing was a bit off, but customer service usually stepped in to offer exchanges or replacements. However, these positives are countered by consistent complaints about issues with delivery, difficulty getting returns divided by exchanges, misleading sizing, and promotional claims that don't always match reality. For instance, some customers report delays even when they paid for faster shipping, or that the product didn't compress or shape as well as advertised. There are also complaints that once the product is worn, even briefly, it is harder to get refunds. From trust and safety checking sites, ShaperLuv gets medium risk ratings. Scam Detector gives it a score around 58 out of 100, which means there are concerns, not necessarily proof of scam, but enough red flags to be cautious. Scam Advisor notes, the website is several years old, registered October 2022, has a valid SSL certificate, and accepts mainstream payment methods. In my view, ShaperLuv is not obviously a scam, but it is also not perfect. If you order, you should expect some risk of delays, some risk of receiving product that doesn't match expectations, and some friction in exchanges or refunds. Their customer service does appear to help in many cases, but not always quickly or fully. If I were you, I'd proceed carefully. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.